To become your own boss, you have to become your own mascot, your own manager, your own support system. Sure, having a good support system is beneficial, but not necessary. The greatest support comes from within. Let me tell you something interesting that I have discovered. Perhaps you already knew this. On social media, your friends, family, and followers will throw an all out celebration if you announce that you were hired at this new job or got a promotion at your current job. On the other end of the career spectrum, if you announce that you are starting a new business, the only thing chirping are the crickets. Sure, your mama and your spouse may say congratulations, but all those well wishers when you get a new job are nowhere to be found when you announce your entrepreneurial pursuits. And don't get me started on when after you started your business, it takes quite some time for the revenue to start rolling in. Everybody and their mama will be telling you to get a job ASAP. That's your support system for you. That's why at the end of the day, you have to do this entrepreneurial thing for yourself. Sorry to say this for the people who crave emotional support, but there ain't much of that in this boss world. As a matter of fact, think about this. At any of your 9 to 5 jobs, have you ever felt like giving your boss emotional support? Have you ever felt like telling them, come on boss, work me harder so you can get wealthy? Yeah, me neither. That's why most people could care less about supporting your desire to become a boss, and that's including family and friends. So, to become an entrepreneur and make it a forever lifestyle, you have to always maintain the do this for yourself mentality. Now that you are at the end of section 1, I have a mission for you that needs to be accomplished before moving on to the next section. Your mission is to think of 5 reasons why you want to become an entrepreneur and become your own boss. You can write it down, type it down, put it in Morse code, whatever. The goal is to get these 5 reasons out of your head and onto something you can see. Once you do this, make copies of it and put them everywhere you be at on a daily basis. Put it all through your house, in your car, at work, etc. You need to be reminded of these 5 reasons you want to become an entrepreneur and let it be ingrained in your spirit. This may take 3 days or 3 months. My suggestion is to do this for at least 3 days. If you feel the strong urge to pursue entrepreneurship after 3 days, move on to section 2.